This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sliding text in Premiere Pro. First, open your project and navigate to the Essential Graphics panel. Click the New Layer icon and select Text to create a new text layer. Type your desired text directly into the program monitor. You can then customize its appearance, including font style, size, and color, to match your project's aesthetic. This initial setup is crucial for building your animation. Now, let's animate the text's movement. With your text layer selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Text, find the Position property. Click the stopwatch icon next to Position to create your first keyframe. Move your playhead to where you want the animation to begin, then adjust the text's position off-screen. Advance the playhead to the desired endpoint and move the text to its final on-screen position. Premiere Pro will automatically create a second keyframe, generating the sliding motion. To make your sliding text look more professional, refine its speed. Right-click on your keyframes in the Effect Controls panel. Select Temporal Interpolation and choose Ease In for the first keyframe and Ease Out for the second. This creates a smoother start and end to the animation. You can also drag the keyframes closer together for a faster slide or further apart for a slower one. For even more control, use the velocity graph to fine-tune the acceleration and deceleration curves. Finally, let's enhance your sliding text. Consider adding a subtle drop shadow or a slight blur effect to give it more depth. To create multiple sliding text elements, simply duplicate your animated text layer. Then, offset the duplicated layers slightly on your timeline to create a staggered, dynamic entrance. You can also modify the text content and animation path for each duplicated layer, allowing for creative and complex text sequences. This technique adds visual interest and professionalism to your video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.